Sally up and bring Sally down. Last gun start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up and bring Sally down.
Yeah, that's right. I'm hearing music too. I'm not imagining anything anymore. So I'm not sure if you remember a couple weeks back, I was able to fix my old radio to my Mercedes S500. That was challenging, but it's something that I had to do. And actually looking back, it's actually something that I really had to do. It was the first time I ever heard the speakers actually work in this car. And if I did not fix that issue, the stereo, the head unit that I put in right now would not be working. And I would be scratching my head thinking, why? Well, but it's working. So I was able to fix that original issue with the radio. Got to hear a chance to hear the radio for the first time. And then I've been working to put in my Android head unit for, gosh, I can't even tell you how long now. I think I've been holding on to it for about 3 or 4 months. And I finally had a chance to install it. Now, I did not do everything that I wanted to do, but I got a good start. So the bells and whistles aren't there, but the head unit, the radio unit has been switched out. Challenges that I had with this particular installation, found out after I got all the parts, I thought I had everything that I needed, that this car works via fiber optics, which means you need a fiber optic converter to actually be able to talk to the speakers, right? So that's if I didn't want to have to kind of run my entire set of wires and speakers and everything all over the place. Did not make sense. So use the existing factory speakers, had to get an adapter for that. So that was an extra piece that I had to get. In addition to that, what I found out was the wiring harness, everything I got from a company that actually loved the hardware, but not necessarily the service. It was Phoenix Automotive. And I got the majority of everything that I needed, except instructions. So always fun finagling through everything. I got a few guidelines, but not really instructions, and realized the wiring harness wasn't actually hooked up the way it was supposed to be. I actually have an accessory wire, actually 3 wires. 3 wires to actually power this up. And that was one thing that was holding me back a couple days ago. I needed ground, I needed power, and I needed accessory. I needed to figure out where they were in this car, and then I had to figure out how to actually hook that up to the radio. And what I found out was that the accessory was hooked up to this CAN bus. This is responsible for all of the integrated controls and the interface for the car, but it was not hooked up to anything else. So I had to splice that wire. So in any case, not to belabor the point, I thought I was in good shape, right? I got power. And then another issue happened.